Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a cute and easy DIY. We're going to turn these plain Converse into super cute rose gold glittery shoes. So let's get started. Okay, so what you'll need, it's really simple. You'll need some extra fine rose gold glitter. You will also need a foam crafting brush or something to apply the glue. And then this is the glue. I'm using Mod Podge. You can use any kind. I think this one is the gloss. And then you'll also need a large container to catch any fallout. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is figure out where you're going to want the glitter to be at. For me, I chose at the top, like where your tippy toes are. So we're going to start there. We're going to apply the Mod Podge, a very thin layer, on our crafting sponge or foam brush, whatever you're using. And again, make sure you're using a very thin layer, because once we put that glitter on, you don't want it to be clumpy. You want it to be very smooth and even. One thing I forgot to mention in the beginning is you will need some sort of like Clorox wipe to clean up any glue or glitter that falls off, just to clean up any mess. Okay, so this is pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to apply the glitter anywhere you see the Mod Podge. Make sure to get those nooks and crannies too. Okay guys, so we are almost done here. So what we're going to do now is repeat the steps all over again. So we're going to apply a second layer of the Mod Podge, and again make sure it is a very thin and evenly distributed layer. And then once you do that, go ahead and apply or sprinkle on your second layer of glitter. So the reason I chose to do this DIY is because, as some of y'all may or may not know, I'm getting married this fall, and our entire bridal party is going to be wearing Converse. And since Alea, my daughter, is going to be a flower girl, of course, she's going to be wearing Converse as well. And I really wanted hers to be special, different, and I just wanted to glam them up a bit. Alright guys, so that was it for this DIY. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I am so impressed with how they came out. They came out exactly how I pictured them to be. If you guys do this, make sure that the shoes dry at least 24 hours before you go out and wear them, and that's just to prevent any smudges of any sort. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me any suggestions in the comments down below. Thank you guys for all the love you've been showing. Really appreciate that, guys. Thank y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.